Hello guys, welcome to today's session. Guys, today we'll learn how to set up high availability cluster using Pacemaker in RHEL 6. Okay, so let's start. Guys, I have prepared one a set of document, so we will follow that document so that we can it will help us to set up the HA cluster. First is lab details. So I have taken two node, that is two node cluster, node 1 and node 2, which is RHEL 6.9, and IP is 192.168.11.3 and the 192.168.11.4. Okay, then these are the implementation steps. First steps, that add node and node 2 to a /etc host file. That means we will update both the node in the /etc host file. Then again we need to install the cluster packages. So for that we need to create repository for the high availability cluster package. Okay, then fourth step, there is sample configuration file that we need to update that /etc/corosing/corosix.conf file. Okay, this file will not available, so we can create and we can update this is the sample configuration file. Okay, then fifth step is we need to generate uh, auth key, so using corosync -keygen. Okay, then sixth step is we need to start the corosing service, then we need to start the pacemaker service, then we need to check the cluster status. So we can start from the step 1. Okay, so step 1 is add node 1 node 2 to your /etc host file. Okay, so friends, I have already logged into the both the nodes. That means node 1, okay, which is green color, and node 2, which is black color. Okay, background color is black. Okay, so so first step is we need to update the /etc host file. So we'll check. Okay, so earlier I have already updated things, so we'll check only. Okay, so if you can see, this is the node 1 entry. Okay, 11.3, and the node 2 is 11.4. so same thing we'll check in another node also. Okay, so if you can see also same entry 11.3 node 1 and node 2. So these two entry need to be uh, updated in the /etc host file. Okay, then second steps, okay, we need to install the cluster package. Okay guys, if you have not configured the repository, then you have to configure. Okay, for the high availability cluster package. Okay, by default in RHEL 6, and it is coming. Okay, whatever the package is available in the ISO file, so you have to if you will copy that high availability as well as the packages folder, so you will able to you will get the cluster packages of the things. Okay, so there is no need to configure extra repository for that. So I have already configured the repository, so only we need to install the packages. So in that case, so this is the command. So yum install pacemaker corosing then crmsh. Okay, so I'll install that. Okay, I'll press yes. Okay, it is getting installed. So we'll install the cluster package on the both the nodes. Okay, node 1 as well as the node 2. So installation completed. So again same thing we will do on second node itself. Okay, okay, so it will take time to install. Okay, so friends, cluster packages installed on both the nodes. So now we'll create one corosing.conf file on both the nodes. Okay, then update the configurations. Okay, /etc corosing.conf. Okay, we'll go to insert mode. Here also same thing we'll do. Okay, so guys, I copied the sample configuration file from the document. Okay, so so if you can see the bind net adr. Okay, this is the node IP address. Okay, this is node 1, right? So same thing I will do on node 2. So only once again, so it is okay. So what I'll do, so I'll paste the same thing. Okay, I'll paste, but here we need to, on node 2 we have to provide the node 2 IP address. Okay, which is 11.4. Okay, so now looks okay. So we'll save and quit. Okay, here also save and quit. Okay, so we created /etc corosing.conf and we updated the configuration file as per our document. Okay, then we updated the that IP address of node 1 and node 2. Okay, so guys, now we'll generate auth key file. Okay, so we'll use one command, corosing and keys. Okay, corosing hyphen keygen. Okay, this command not okay. So there is typo. So corosing hyphen keygen. Corosing hyphen keygen. So it will generate the auth key. Okay. So it will take time to generate the key. Then we will copy that key to the node 2. Okay. So guys, auth key has been generated. So we need to copy that auth key to the second node. Okay. So using SCP, we will copy. So auth key stored under /etc corosing/auth key. Okay, so we'll copy that key. So guys, so auth key has been copied to node 2. Okay, now we'll start the corosing service as well as the pacemaker service. Okay, service corosing start, sorry, so corosing service getting started, then pacemaker service. Okay, okay, so pacemaker is the cluster manager actually. Okay, corosing is the cluster engine. Okay, so again in this second node also, service corosing start. Okay, then we need to start the pacemaker. So both the service started. Now we'll check the cluster status, CRM status. Okay, CRM. Okay guys, so actually CRM SS package was not installed, so that's why CRM not command not found was showing. Okay, So we'll give CRM status. Okay, so if you can see, this is online node 1 and node 2. Same command will trigger here also. Okay, so here also it is online node 1 and node 2. Okay, there is no resources. Okay, so as of now we have only set up the clusters. Okay, but we have not added the resources. Okay guys, in the next session we'll learn how to add resources, okay, to provide the high availability to the service. Okay, so this much for today. Hope you enjoy the session. Guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe now for more videos related to Linux, DevOps, all cloud technologies. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a good day.